Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start lesson 2 for algebra. Algebra 1 secondary. It's about adding and subtracting matrix. Adding and subtracting. طيب هو عامة انتوا for adding and subtracting already it's an easy because you know all properties for the numbers. Now we are going only to make it for the matrix. Okay. For example, how can I make adding for any matrix? First thing, the two matrices must have the same order. What's the meaning of the same order? We will make reminder and review again. As we told in the lesson 1, this is the name of the matrix, which must be capital. And now I can say this, what is the number of the matrix? What's meaning of number of the matrix? Here is Aij. What's meaning of I? Number of rows. Okay. And what's meaning of J? It's number of columns. So this meaning that I have here as this one, rows is equal 3. I have 3 rows and I have 2 columns. Okay. Type. If I am saying that the adding for matrix must have the same order, this meaning if I give you A is equal to 1, 3 minus 2 and B equal 5, 2 and 2, 3. This matrix order 2 by 2 and here matrix is 2 by 2. Is same order or no? Same order. Type, give me A plus 2, A plus B. So what I'll do, I'll institute this. So it will coming here 2, 1, 3 minus 2 plus 5, 2, 2, 3, which will come. What I'm going to do, it's very easy. Like if I give you, for example, if I give you one example, like give me the addition for 100 plus 5. What are you doing? You put this units and then tens and then hundreds, like this. So it's coming 501. This again, this is row 1, column 1. I will add with row 1 here, column 1. And then like that. Row 1, column 2 with row 1, column 2. Okay? So this meaning this is 2 plus 5 and here 1 plus 2 and then 3 plus 2 and then minus 2 plus 3, which will come 7, 3, 5 and here 1. Okay? So the addition is very easy like that. Nothing else. After that he will play with what? Give me the matrix transpose, institute in this equation, blah 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 blah. This is the concept, and after that is blah blah blah, like that. Easy. Only you can, really algebra for this year, you will only collect degree in your pocket. Not allow to deduct even half mark. Concentrate and review. Easy. It's really only free mark for you. Free mark. Free, really free. Only concentrate. So we are going to take another example. If he give you, I'll give you this, which is me A equal 1, 3, 4 minus 2, 5, 2 and C equal 2, 0 minus 1, 3, 4, 6. And now he asks you to give him this equation 2A plus C2. Okay. we explained this before. What's meaning of C2? First, we explained last lesson. This means transpose for the matrix C. Okay, this order what for A? First, how many row? 3. By what? By 2 column. And here, how many row? It's coming 2 by 3. Type. To make additions, it's supposed to be same order. How can I add A plus C? So this meaning why he put C transpose? Because if he give you C, nonsense, you can't. C transpose, I'll give you C here, what? 2 minus 1, 0 minus 1, and here 3, 4, 6. Now, C transpose, I explain that you have to transverse like that, rotate. So the column will be in the row and the row will be in the column. Meaning that if this is 2 multiply 3 order, the new transpose is supposed to be a 3 by 2. So now I have to put this like first column. So it will come 2, 0, minus 1. And here 3, 4, 6. Okay? So this is the C transpose. Clear? Clear? Right. What's this now? What's meaning for 2A? Or also we explained this last time. Okay? This a real number multiplied by matrix. So I'll institute it. I'll put the 2 out and I'll put the matrix there, which is coming 1, minus 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. Okay? It's clear? 4, 2, sorry. 4, 2. Okay, thank you, Radwa. Okay, 4, 2. What I'm going here, this will distribute, multiply by distributing for each number. Okay, so it will be like that. Equal, I make it 2 by 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, and here minus 2 by 2, 5 by 2, and 2 by 2. Easy. Again, I make the multiplication. 2 by 1 is coming 2. 3 by 2 is 6. 4 by 2, 8. Here, minus 2 by 2 is coming minus 4. Then 10 and then 4. Done? Okay. Now, this equation, which is 2A plus C transpose, okay, I'll institute here by what I achieve. 2A, this one, it will be 2, 6, 8, minus 4, 10, 4. And then I make plus C2, C transpose, which is 2, 0, minus 1, 3, 4, 6. Okay? This all will come like that. Now, I'll take first one to add this one, which meaning is 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2 by plus 3, sorry, 6 plus 0, 10 plus 4, 8 minus 1, 4 plus 6. All will be like that. 4, 6, 7, minus 1, 14, 10. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, type. I'll give you advice. What is the advice? And this really important for all. What if you are going to solve anything for math, steps like that is very important. And try to do it easy and take your time, because sometimes you make because you are hurry, one step wrong, all rest steps will be wrong. Take your time and make it in more details, and this will help you to make everything right. Don't say it's easy, I'll do it now. No, take your time. For math, take your time. Okay? Now we are going to do another thing. What we are going to do, we will solve this problem. If A equal 5 minus 2 and 3 4, and they give you B is equal 4 minus 3 here. I hope it's clear. 4 minus 3 and here minus 1 8. Okay, now the brightness type. What he asking? Yeah, okay, he asking now for what? Okay, he wants you to give him the third for A plus B transpose. Okay, again, this 2 by 2 and this 2 by 2. This is square matrix. So meaning of square matrix is number of rows equal to number of columns. So if even he asks for P transpose, it's the same. We don't have any problem for make addition operation because it's the same, whatever transpose or not transpose. First step, I have to bring this P transpose. Okay, so I'll do it. P transpose, it's supposed to be again 4 minus 1 minus 3 8 transpose, which will coming, I'll make rotate like that, right? So it will be 4 minus 3 and here minus 1 8. Type. What's meaning of third A plus B transpose? It's meaning that I have to make like that, third, okay, and then I'll open a big brackets like that, okay, and then I put A, which is 5 minus 2 3 4, and then plus B transpose, which here, which is coming 4 minus 1 minus 3 8. Okay, this will be the third here, and then I have to solve this, which is how I make it here like that. 5 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 3 4 plus 8. Okay, okay, she's coming the third for 9 minus 3 0 12. Clear? Again, it's a real number multiplied by matrix. So this will be like here I have to divide by 3, here I have to divide by 3, here I have to divide by 3, here I have to divide by 3. Okay, which is will be coming, the result, final result is again 9 divide 3 minus 3 divide 3 0 divide 3 12 divide 3, and this will be 3 minus 1 0 4. Easy until now? Okay, right. I'll give you another example. يعني I'm trying to solve with you all, try to solve for المعاصر. يعني I'm trying to help you for that. Now if I give you like that, 3 A B C minus 2. Okay, and I told you this is equal to A plus 1 minus 1 3 2, okay, plus 2 C plus 3 4 plus B minus 10. يعني this equation equals this. What I'm going to do, okay, first I have to take this part and institute it or simplify it. So it's coming 3 A B C minus 2. This one will be multiplied for each one, which is coming 3A 3C 3B 3 multiply minus 2 is coming minus 6. Okay, so this is what the left side. Okay, now I'll try to solve the right side or simplify it. This one again is 2a plus 1 and 3 minus 1 here and 2. Okay, again this one will multiply by each one. 2 multiply a plus 1 is 2a plus 2, right? And here minus 2, and 2 multiply 3 is 6. 2 multiply 2, 4, right? And then this nothing. I don't have anything to make it for this. So the right side, it's supposed to be what? 2a plus 2 minus 2, 6, 4 plus 2, and then 4 plus b, c plus 3 minus 10. Clear until now? Okay. Here, this will be 2a plus 2 plus 2. And here, 6 plus 4 plus b. And here, minus 2 plus c plus 3. And here, 4 minus 10. These all are going to be 2a plus 4 minus 2, and the 3 is c plus 1, and here 10 plus b, and here minus 6. This what the right side. Okay, now I'll make what? I'll institute in the original example. So this is the left, which is coming 3a, 3b, 3c minus 6, supposed to be equal the right side. 2a plus 4, 10 plus b, c plus 1 minus 6. Clear? Clear? Try to concentrate, please. Then this side supposed to be this one, and this one supposed to be equal this one, and blah blah blah. So I'll take 3a supposed to equal 2a plus 4. Okay, so what I'll do, minus 2a here, and here minus 2a. So this will be a. 3 minus 2, a. Suppose this deduct this, so it will be 4. So a equal what? 4. Then you want also b. We need to bring b also. Okay, so b, I take this to be equal this one, which meaning 3b equal 10 plus b. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do, minus b, and here minus b plus. Okay, I'm trying to simplify it from grade 1, so we can go together again. This will be like that, and here 3 minus 1 equal 2b equal 10. Here I divide by 2, so in the what I'm doing in the right side, I have to do in the left side. I'll divide here also by 2, which is coming 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2, 5. So b equal 5. Clear now? Okay. What else? C. We need to know C. I'll come from here. Okay, 3c equal c plus 1. 3c equal c plus 1. So if I make here minus 1, here minus 1, so this will coming 2c equal 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So c is equal half. I hope it's clear. Try to solve a lot of examples. Any question you can send me by email. Now we are going to speak about the adding properties. Okay, what's adding of properties? Okay. Adding operation properties. Normal, associative, commutative. Associative, commutative. Right or no? Yani it's coming from from grade 5. It's adding, meaning commutative and associative. If I give you any adding properties, 2 plus 3 equal 5. طيب. Any different if I say 3 plus 2, it's the same, equal 5. So number one, commutative property. Number one, commutative property. If I give you matrix A plus matrix B, sure, it will be same for B plus A. Any question for that? طيب. Associative meaning what? Associative meaning I make group. يعني if I give you A plus B plus C, okay? I want it associative, so I can make A and B in group plus C alone. Okay, what's the difference? It's the same if I say to you A alone plus group B plus C, right or no? That's why I'm going to write to you يعني adding number one commutative. Oh, sorry بقى, I have to make like that. Okay, commutative, which meaning A matrix plus B matrix supposed to be equal P matrix plus A matrix. No doubt, يعني 100%. طيب, associative meaning if I have A plus B plus C, so A plus B plus C, I put this group, must equal A plus group B plus C. Also no doubt for that. طيب. What's meaning by now this 1 and 2? We have again what? Closure property. What's meaning of closure? Closure meaning property that if I have matrix with A M multiply N, okay, and we said that for make addition properties, the same order for the two matrices must we have. So the result also must have the same order, right or no? So whatever closure meaning that you can bring the matrix in the same the result for A and B, also M by N. So I can make from the beginning, if this order like this order, I can make the addition, right? But if this order M by N and this order M by N, the result must be what? M by N. It will not come from the another thing, right or no? So it will give me C, for example, which is meaning A plus B. If here M by N, here M by N, C must be what? M by N. And both of them natural number. Natural number. Sure. Okay? This is the closure. Right. The property number 4 is the existence of the addition identity. What's meaning of this? And this is also easy. يعني we take it from grade 5. If I give you 1 plus 0, it's supposed to be what? 0 plus 1, right? And suppose it's come 1. This is for numbers. For matrix, what is the zero matrix? You remember the zero matrix? Zero matrix that all elements equal 0. I'm trying to refresh your data. So if I have a matrix A plus 0 matrix, supposed to be equal 0 matrix plus A, and supposed to equal what? A. Raise your voice. Okay, A. Thank you, Rado, for nothing. Okay. So this meaning the additive identity. Okay. Last property is the inverse, additive inverse. That's meaning already we explain. But I need additive. So if I make for you A plus minus A meaning that real number minus 1 multiplied by all matrix A. So this real number will distribute it for all elements, multiply. The meaning that this equal A minus A, right or no? This will give me you what? A minus A will give you what? 0 matrix. 0 what? Matrix. Okay? Now this for the adding matrix. We finish this lesson, and now we are going to next lesson we will start subtracting matrix, which is so easy also. Subtracting matrix very simple, but I'll make it lessons, separate lesson. Okay, thank you.